Welcome to 14 Beech Branch Court. This lovely 4-bedroom, 2 full bath home with a wraparound covered front porch and fenced backyard, as well as hardwood flooring inside. It sits on a cul-de-sac in the Foxboro subdivision in Irmo, convenient to I-26, Lake Murray, Harbison, and Lexington as well. So we are out in front. You can see you have a driveway here, single car wide driveway coming off of the cul-de-sac. And as we go up, you have some landscaping out front here, then big wide steps up to the covered front porch. So you have a sort of recessed entryway there, and then the porch does wrap around to the left side of the house. And we'll be able to see it from the other angle out of the side door off the dining room. So we'll take a look inside now. So as we enter, you'll notice the beautiful hardwood flooring in the open floor plan living and dining room. You have a ceiling fan here, window, a couple large windows out to the front. You have a fireplace. I believe that is gas log, but not 100% sure if it is working. You may want to check with our office for details on that. You can see sort of crown molding in here as well, and then you have just some openings to the kitchen on that side. But the living room open to the dining area, chair rail molding in here as well. You have a mirror on the wall there in the dining room, and then your sliding door goes back out to that porch that we were just on. So we'll take a quick look at the other side of it and then back out to the backyard as well. So you can see you have a little bit of side yard here. Gate or fencing starts for the backyard there. And then down a few more steps here. You have access to the fenced backyard. So privacy fencing all around there. There's a large storage shed as well. And the backyard continues around there. You can see that in the photos. Access to a little bit of crawl space storage there as well. So back inside, we'll go across this room, and directly over here we have a coat closet. And then we'll take a look at the kitchen. So the kitchen itself, the hardwood flooring continues into here. Those are real hardwoods, as well as into the pantry. So you have a large window here in the eat-in dining area, or sort of a breakfast nook. Crown molding in here as well, with natural wood cabinets with the tile backsplash along those 2 walls. Nice ceiling height as well. And you do have a walk-in pantry, has a window, so that's sort of the little bump out or the bay window that you see kind of protruding into the porch area off the entry. You do have 1 bedroom off of the kitchen as well. We call it a bedroom because it does have a closet. In this case, a huge closet, largest one probably in the house. But it could also be used as a family room, playroom, game room, or just some extra living space, or even an office. But it does have the great storage here. And then you do have a nice sized room as well, larger than the other 2 secondary bedrooms, I believe. Large window looking out towards the front, and a ceiling fan in here also. And then we'll go back through, and we'll quickly go just through the other bedrooms off the hall, just so we're in order. You have one here, faces the backyard. And then you have the closet. Pretty standard size. I believe it does go back behind the door just a little bit. Carpeting does start here in the hallway. Attic access with some storage up there as well. And then your second bedroom off the hall. And roughly similar size closet. Then directly across we have our full bathroom. Also doubles as the laundry room in this home. Tile flooring in here. Then you have a single vanity, shower and tub, and then your laundry room is behind a bifold door, full-size washer and dryer connections in there, but you can close that off just for a little bit of a neater look, and then just a little bit of space behind the door there as well. And then last but certainly not least, our master bedroom. You have the tray ceilings in here with a ceiling fan, nice wall, sort of a bay windows looking out towards the backyard. And then you have a full bathroom attached as well. Again, with the tile flooring, same as in the hall. You do have double sinks in here, as well as a garden tub and shower. Nice window there, letting in some more natural light in the bathroom. The commode is sort of an alcove, and then the walk-in closet is here. Most of the all of the shelving is actually along that wall, but good space to access all of it. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address here is 16 Beech Branch Court in Irmo. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.